Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way.
Greetings world, Middleman Mentor here, back with another credit building video. Today we want to talk about grain. I actually have grain myself, so I can break it down a little bit better than most of the other apps that I recommended. This one I recommend too, but like every last video that I always discuss in, make sure you do your own personal due diligence and understand exactly what's going on. But with grain, I can break down a little bit of what's going on here. Grain, you're not going to get no pull in your credit. So as we're building on the credit, this is an actual good app to use because we're trying to build up, trying to get data points. We're trying to build up credit. So basically, if they're not going to do a hard pull, they're building off of your actual bank account. You're going to connect a bank account to this app. When you connect the bank account to this app, depending on the activity, on how you utilize your money in this account, on how many deposits you're getting in, how you're spending, they're going to give you a line of credit. With that line of credit, you utilize that money as if it was in your bank account. But if you with GT Approve, if anybody's watching this through YouTube, of course, you can go back to the YouTube channel. The link is below. Please subscribe, like if this content is helping you out. But if you with GT Approve, okay, I want you to use one of your bigger accounts. The bank account that you actually got transaction, things of that nature coming in, so they can give you that $1,000 line of credit. That's what they gave me. So with that right there, instantly, take out 500s. Take out 500. As soon as you get it, I want you to take out 500 because I want it to hit. When you take out that 500, when it's time to report again, they're going to try to tell you can only pay like $35 or something like that. Make sure you got that line of credit back under 30% because we want this to have a positive impact towards your credit report. 30% is not going to give you a positive impact. It's just not going to impact it. But even with this right here, this line of credit, if you go over the 30% and keep it at 50%, it's going to impact you in a negative way. So we don't want it to impact you in a negative way. So you want to pay off the extra $250, and you can play with the $250 if you want to, or just use that money to start paying that back off, but get it back under that 30%. Unless we're starting to look for funding or we need anything like that, anything we do, we always want to keep our utilization under 10%. So I keep mine basically down to 0, but no more than 9 at all times. All right. With this right here, I did have a situation where I had paid the card off because I wanted to hit and get a positive impact on my line of credit. On my credit report, and they sent me an email probably 2 months later stating that they didn't report, but they definitely going to report. So they do, communicate with you well, and they did let me know that they did miss that, they're bad, whatever like that. And as you can see, if you're looking at the back of me, in the website, saying with Chase City, Bank of America, most of your major banks. I see a few got Chime, like it has a credit union. It has a few different ones. If your bank is not up there, if you were GT Approved, we get multiple bank accounts anyway. That's the name of the game, especially when we're trying to go get this funding later on as we're going through these YouTube videos and we're leading up to the big bang. Let's just keep the ground going. And so grain, I highly recommend it, to help build your credit. But like I say, this is something that you need to check out for yourself, see if there's something that fits with you, and what we're trying to do here. It's more than one way to skin a cat. This is one way I'm getting the fur off, and I recommend it to me and my peoples and what we're trying to do here. Other than that, man, I don't like to sit right here and keep it long for you. Go through this, do your own research once again. And this is Middleman with GT Approved, and we out.